Welcome everyone to a brand new tour. In our last video, we toured Beachside Estate. It was loaded with amenities, but what you're about to see today is on a whole different count of the features in this place. So, could one of you be the next owner? Stay tuned to find out. And before we dive in, do me a huge favor, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another world-class tour. So this estate is currently featured on Zillow, and it is a total icon. We are located in the heart of Watermill, New York, at 70 and 71 Cobb Lane. We are talking about a staggering 24 bedrooms, 38 bathrooms, square feet of pure luxury. This dream mansion is currently asking $99,500, and let's get into it. Wow, guys, check this out. It's essentially a private island. On one side, you have total seclusion with lush woods and trees, and on the other, you're completely surrounded by water. This is absolute waterfront perfection. We've had a look at the exterior, but the interior is where the real magic happens. We'll save some of the best outdoor amenities for the end, so stick around. Moving through, you'll see we have multiple living rooms connected by these gorgeous grand staircases. This is the primary living room, featuring a massive custom fireplace. Just off this space, you have a formal dining area designed for high-end hosting. Transitioning to the next wing, we have vast, open-concept spaces perfect for large-scale meetings or intimate family gatherings. You've got a seamless blend of indoor and outdoor lounge areas. It's designed for total flow. This estate features multiple kitchens and dining rooms. You have a sleek dry kitchen and a professional-grade wet kitchen right next door. Check out the dedicated bar and lounge area, and honestly, the candy room for the kids is just over the top. Whether you're hosting a gala with a huge dining setup, or just having a casual family breakfast in the smaller, intimate dining nook, this home handles it all. Now let's head into the bedroom suites. look at the craftsmanship here. Every room has a spa-like feel with massive windows that pull in that incredible nature view. Imagine waking up to this every single morning. Talk about a mood booster. This is the sauna, bath, and jacuzzi suite. Guys, look at this view. This is what pure luxury is all about. And check out the outdoor swimming pool. It's perfect for summer parties and hosting games. If the weather doesn't cooperate, you've got a full indoor pool as well. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of this spa level? Wow, check out the game room. We've got a professional grade pool table, and that's not the only one. We have a massive personal home theater. A private basketball court. And I honestly can't believe it. There is a full-scale bowling alley in here. And finally, the cherry on top, your own private tennis court. So, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, this home leaves absolutely nothing to be desired. From the massive banquet areas to the indoor and outdoor pools, the theater, the bowling alley, and the tennis court, it's all here. This is the definition of a legacy estate. Now, for the big question. If you had $99.5 million to invest, would you pull the trigger on this home? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really motivates us to keep bringing you these insane tours. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.